paalala rin natin sa lahat. Yun sinasabi natin, magta-timeout at magta-timeout.
Been able to deliver it to Japet Aguilar.
Iimbestigahan pang foul na to dahil ayun, sa ulo tinamaan si Jabs.
13 from the two-point area. Yun nga yung sinasabi natin, di ba? Pinupuntahan nila talaga sa ilalim si Japet.
Kaso nung sinausaw, hindi naabutin yung bola in direksyon, diretso sa ulo. Paano kaya to? Go with a steal. These turnovers really hurting.
Yes.
And legs. And yun, simple basketball.
Yes.
36 points in the paint now para dito sa Ginebra. Gusto pang dagdagan ni Jabs.
Ayun ang advantage ni Japet. Kaya niya kasi he's got the quickness, the height advantage.
Mukhang nalambig na.
Well, he's only made 3-point shots, right?
Tamo, 19 3-point attempts lang ang Ginebra ngayon. Napakalayo sa 44 nung nakaraan.
Ayan.
Japet from the heat check time.
Start walking the ball off the floor again. It's like we're just trying to take the ball. 7 minutes left in the game. Too early to hold clock. Have our big man shoot a 3-point shot early in the play. Doesn't work for us, fellas. If you're tired, let me know. But we got to get you guys going.